Well, I have another song for you. I don't do very many of these, so but this one should be a good one. I'm gonna do it from memory, and I'm hopefully not gonna fuck it up. But here it goes. We don't need no incarceration. We don't need no pig control. No dark spray painting in the alley. Copper, leave them kids alone. Hey, copper, leave them kids alone. All in all, you're not another brick in the wall. All in all, you're not